tired, and they want because you work long days too. Plus now, the change of the speed.